That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, you can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Achoo! Huh? Fiona Fire Truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye!
Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, OK then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, You want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel. Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes! But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure, I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Okay, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong! Goodbye, everyone.
It's time to repaint the sign mechanicals. Blue, can you please get the green paint and take yellow up on the roof to help? Oh dear, Fiona's had a bump to her bumper. Come inside and let's fix it. Green, we'll need the extra strong glue, please. The glue isn't meant to be green. Blue and yellow must have the glue. Quick, red, get up to the roof. Oh, poor Red. We'll have to get up on the roof another way. Oh dear, what a sticky situation. Let's get you free before the glue sets completely. Fiona, can we borrow your hose, please? Don't worry, Mechanicals. We'll soon have you free. Great job, everyone. Fiona and I both look brand new.
And then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, Mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more twigs for the fire, please, Yellow.
Yellow?
A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
You don't need to be afraid or act all silly, because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night and...
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Hello, everyone. There's make-believe magic in the garage today. The mechanicals are pretending to be alien explorers from another galaxy, and Baby Truck is their spaceship. Oh, you want me to turn off the lights so it's more mysterious. Okay. Be careful, alien friends. Oh, is everyone okay? Nuts and bolts. That looks like a broken tail light. Oh, poor Baby Truck. Or should I say, Baby's space rocket. We'll need to repair your tail light if you're going to fly safely back to your planet. And maybe we'll fit a new rocket thruster too. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Superglue! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! The first fix will be really bright, with brand new bulbs for your tail lights. This old fin has been gathering rust. We'll repair and reuse it to give us thrust. With your recycled rocket booster in place, you're ready for a journey home through space! Baby space rocket launch sequence activated! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off! Go, alien explorers! Good luck on your intergalactic adventures! But don't be too long. Mummy Truck will be here soon to pick up Baby. Welcome home, alien friends! Huh? Oh, hi, Mummy Truck. Goodbye, everyone!
Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, mechanicals. Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. screwdrivers. Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Ooh, yuck! Oh. Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're going to the beach today. Remember, mechanicals, only take what we need. Huh? Oh. Garage doors open wide. It's time to go to the seaside. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Green can't wait for an ice cream. Oh no! Vicky's broken down. Let's take a look. I see the problem. Let's tow you to the beach and I'll fix you there. Are you all right, Tilly? If you need to take a break, that's okay. Spinning screwdrivers! Now we're stuck. We'll get you home, Tilly, but first we have to help Vicky. No wonder you're feeling tired. A brand new spark plug is what's required. You'd best get going, Vicky. We'll just have to go to the beach another day. We need to fix Tilly. Hi, Trevor. Would you be able to help us, please? I have an idea. Thanks, Trevor. Good as new. Our dear friend Tilly, we love you the best. Now what you need is a well-earned rest. But first, go outside. You all deserve a special treat. Ta-da! If we can't go to the beach with our friends can bring the beach to us. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max! I'm coming! Hey!
How is it my fault?
Oh, don't panic, Max. We'll think of something. Max, if I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max. Aim for the garage. There you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
Hello, everyone. Today, the mechanicals are in garage school, where they learn lessons in mechanics. Baby Truck's engine was making a clicking sound, and that meant her starter motor needed replacing. So what did we do, Mex? We disconnected the battery, unbolted the old starter motor, then bolted in the new one before reconnecting the battery. And now Baby Truck's engine is all fixed. Oh, it sounds like someone's here. Hello, Fiona. Hi, Dandy.
Oh, Gecko! Fiona's wipers aren't working, which means we can't see properly in the pouring rain.
Don't worry, Dandy. We'll fit Fiona with new wipers right away. Next garage school lesson, replacing windscreen wipers.
Can I join garage school too, please, Gecko? But I haven't done my homework.
It's okay, Dandy. We can all learn and work together. Now, first, we unscrew the old wipers using a
screwdriver! Here you go, Gecko.
Thanks, pal. All fixed. Well done, everyone.
Oh, thanks, Gecko. I love garage school. That's the emergency alarm, which means someone needs our help. We have to go. Goodbye, friends. Oh, no. Fiona's engine won't start. Oh, it's not working.
Mex, can you hear that clicking sound? Exactly, Mex. The sound means Fiona needs a new starter motor. But you know how to do this fix. Don't worry, Mex. I'll be right here if you need me. You can do it. What tools do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to disconnect the battery. Detach the cable carefully. Great job, Red. Now unbolt the old starter motor. That's it, Yellow. Now to bolt in the shiny new starter motor. Make sure it's nice and tight with the wrench, Yellow. Finally, reconnect the battery, Red. Now, Dandy, start the engine.
OK, Gecko. Hooray! It worked! Thanks for saving the day, Mechanicals! You're our heroes!
You fixed Fiona at garage school and showed that learning is super cool! Goodbye, everyone! Oh, well done, Cat!
Gracias, Gecko.
We're here at Cat's base for her birthday today. We got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet.
Someone needs rescuing.
I just need to adjust the winch.
We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gecko?
Almost. Yes!
Another happy landing.
And... happy birthday, Cat.
Gracias, amigos.
Hooray! Ah, hurrah! Hello, everyone. We've replaced Trevor's old wheels with a new set. His back tyres are huge, with deep tread to help grip in the mud. And as a thank you, Trevor's made us a corn maze to play in.
Hop it, Frog. I'm going first.
Good luck, Mr. Weasel. Don't get lost. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Let's find our way through the maze.
Huh? No way through. This maze is too hard, and now it's raining. Oh, yuck.
Oops, not this way, Mex. Let's turn another way.
Ah, this maze is broken. We have to beat Gecko. Let's trim this trip. Mazes are so easy. Out of the way, you tinkering toad!
Oh no! The rain has made it muddy, and Sly is stuck. Flipping screwdrivers, so is Tilly.
I'll be stuck in this miserable, muddy maze forever.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. There's always hope. I have an idea. Come in, Cat.
Hola, Gecko.
We're stuck in the crop maze and need Trevor's old wheels to help Tilly grip in the mud.
No problema, Gecko. I can use Helena's grabbing arm to help.
Did somebody order 2 wheels and an axle?
Thanks, Cat. Now it's up to us. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. We'll replace Tilly's wheels with Trevor's old set, so she can grip on ground that's muddy and wet. A longer axle is what Tilly requires for 2 big wheels with giant tyres. With her new wheels, we could easily factor that Tilly the tow truck is now Tilly the tractor!
Wait for me!
It's working! Now let me guide you out of here. Now turn left. Almost there. Now right.
We made it! Ah, well done, everyone.
But I'll be the winner! Oh, Mummy.
Teamwork's the winner today. Goodbye, everyone. Ah, phew. Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic.
I'm new in town. Cut is the name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh. Do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly?
Helena, someone needs rescuing. It won't hook.
Oh, hang on, Tilly. Keep it steady, Blue. I can't reach.
Gecko, use the umbrella.
Aha! Phew, that was close. Ah, there you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat. Hello, everyone. It's Christmas Eve, and these lights are ready.
Perfecto, Gecko. It's wonderful to spend a Noche Buena with you and the mechanicals. Make a wish. It's a shooting star.
I'm not so sure, Cat. Oh, no! It's Santa!
That's the last time I go to Weasel's Wheels for repairs.
Santa, are you okay?
I'm fine, but my sleigh's far from all right. These presents must be delivered before morning light.
We'll need to replace the engine at the garage, but with Helena's help, we can get the sleigh moving again and deliver presents on the way. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. First things first, tow it inside. In no time, this sleigh will glide. This sleigh skis are damaged and cracked. A new set will get us on track. Does Helena have extra skis like that?
Got him right here.
Thank you, Cat. Twist and bolt the skis right here. Listen well, we'll have to steer. Now please, Helena, pull us away to deliver these presents for Christmas Day.
Stunning! Thank you, Gecko. You're missing just one thing.
Thanks, Santa. Hurry, Cat! It's almost morning! Well done, Merry Mechanicals! We saved Christmas! On to the garage! Well, Santa, it looks like there's one last present left to give.
There is? Did we forget someone?
It's your present! Merry Christmas, Santa!
Oh, thank you, Gecko. You're a true friend of mine. Merry Christmas until next time. Ho, ho.
Hello, everyone. Today we're training to be pilots, and our friend Cat is going to teach us.
Atención, mechanicals. Gecko. Being a pilot is more than just flying. You need to train your body and your mind. Are you ready, chicos?
Aye, aye, Captain Cat.
Vamos, let's do some training exercises together. But remember, it's not a competition. Just give your best effort. Y fin. Your turn, chicos.
This ramp sure is slippery. I got you, Blue. Grab the rope.
Sí se puede, Blue. You did it. final test is an obstacle course. Ready, set, fuera!
Rusty wrenches! Your ball wheel's broken! Don't worry, Blue. We'll fix you up just like new. What tool do we need?
Screwdriver!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We need to replace the ball wheel. So first, let's unscrew the damaged one. Lefty loosey. Out with the old. In with the new. Now screw it in tight. There. This pilot's ready to fly.
One last touch. I have new goggles and something muy especial para ti, Blue. You passed your pilot training.
What's important is you tried your best. The best that Blue can do. And every time you fell down, you got back up again.
That's the spirit of a true pilot. Hey, Blue, how would you like to be my first mechanical co-pilot?
Well done, Blue! When you give something your best try, you never know how far you'll fly. Goodbye, everyone. Spinning screwdrivers. Who could that be?
Oh, hello, Frog. Perhaps you've noticed my new car. This is Sylvester, or Sly for short.
Hi, Sylvester. Nice to meet you. Excuse us, please. Someone needs our help. Dylan's in trouble at the construction site.
Allow us to help. We'll get there in no time.
I think we'd better go anyway, Mechanicals. Go, Tilly Tow Truck!
I wonder if we can help Dylan without getting close to that horrid mud. Ah! Not that button! Aha! I knew we'd fix this! Pull, Sly! Do I have to do everything myself? Pull me out, Sly! Curse this miserable mud!
Don't worry, we'll soon get you free. Go, Mechanicals!
Perhaps you'd like to visit my car wash, Sly.
Oh.
And you're welcome to use it too, Mr. Weasel.
No, thank you.
See you again soon, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Max and Molly are having so much fun playing in muddy puddles. Oh, you. Thanks, Green. Oh, Max, you're covered in mud. It's bath time for you two. I guess they don't want a bath. Come on, monster trucks. Great idea, Blue. Molly loves rubber ducks. Oh, Molly, we have a surprise for you. Well, that did the trick. Come on, Max. Just wait here. It'll be your turn soon enough.
go, Max. It's your turn. Oh no! The sunshine has dried the wet mud and left poor Max stuck. Just like a statue. Oh, don't worry, Molly. We'll tow Max through the car wash with Tilly's help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Maximum power for Muddy Max! There you go, Max. All clean. Something's wrong. Let's take a look. Oh no! Your engine is full of mud. Don't worry, we'll get rid of it and have you running smoothly again. What tools do I need? Screwdriver, sponge. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The engine air filter keeps the dirt out, but too much mud brings problems about. Open the filter case to see what's in sight. It's full of thick mud. My guessing was right. In goes the new filter, retighten the screw, and now Max's engine should run like new. There you go, Max. Now you're as clean on the inside as you are on the outside. Back in the car wash, please, Molly. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We've just dug this big hole so I can repair a leaky water pipe. Come on, mechanicals. Let's get you cleaned up. It's nearly bedtime. Thanks for your great work, Eric. All clean, mechanicals. Oh. Don't worry, mechanicals. There aren't any scorpions here. Spinning screwdrivers! It's a giant scorpion! Wait! I know what's going on here. Come on, you lot. Things aren't always what they seem. Oh. First, let's get all this mud off you. See, mechanicals? It's not a giant scorpion. It's our friend Eric. Oh. Now let's get your digger arm repaired. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on, mechanicals, there's no time to lose. Let's undo these great big screws. The hydraulic pistons make Eric so strong. Let's put these new ones where they belong. You're all fixed and ready to roll. Just don't fall back into that big hole. Great work, mechanicals. We made Eric strong and powerful again. Bye, everyone. Success, Mechanicals! Another happy customer.
Oh no! It's a disaster! Oh,
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
it's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
My Weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something! Oh, no, you clumsy clown!
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This Weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, Mr. Spot. Ho, ho, ho! Hello, everyone. Santa Gecko here with my elves. It's Christmas time, and Gecko's garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto. We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer! They're here! Get ready, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, no, no, no! Something's not right! A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky? Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up! There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again and match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona Fire Truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals! You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas! When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Looking spooky, Mechanicals. You're all ready for Halloween. Even Tilly is joining in. What's the matter, Green? There's a monster outside. I'd better take a look. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There's no such thing as monsters. Hello? Hello? Are you okay, friend? Come into the light. Oh dear, Max. You need a Halloween clean. Let's get you in the car wash. Don't worry, Mechanicals. Remember, there are no monsters. When you're ready, Max. There you go, Max. Not so scary anymore. Happy Halloween, everyone! Hello, everyone. Grandma's here, and we're playing a game of tag. Tag! Lose it! You can't catch me! Uh-oh! Run!
Oh, hello, baby truck. Do you want to join our game of tag, little one?
You're it, baby truck. Now it's your turn to tag someone.
Whoa! Bless you, dear.
Steaming screwdrivers! That bang didn't sound good. Are you okay, Mummy Truck? Let's get you in the garage and find out what's wrong.
You've blown a gasket. Now there's nothing to seal your engine and stop it from overheating. No wonder you're tired, dear.
Your engine is leaking oil and coolant. We need to fix you fast. Don't worry, baby truck. Your mummy will be just fine. I'll fix her up so she feels as good as new.
And don't you worry, Mummy Truck. We'll look after your baby while my Gecko gets to work on your repairs.
Ah, thanks, Grandma.
Come on, gang. I have an idea for a fun way to help Mummy Truck feel better.
Now, what tools do I need? Screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. A gasket creates a seal for cooling liquid that stops your engine overheating. Yours has cracked and needs replacing. Carefully does it. Righty-tighty, but not too tight. And finally, top you up with fresh cooling liquid to stop your engine from getting too hot. There! How'd you feel? Now, after all that fixing, you deserve a treat in the car wash. Or should I say, spa wash. You just relax, Mummy Truck. Repaired, recharged and refreshed. And ready for a surprise?
We love you, Mummy Truck.
Mummy Truck's better now the fixing is done. And Baby Truck's it. So everyone, run!
Goodbye, everyone.
Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye!